Okay, let's assume that this little triangle right here and this big triangle right here, let's assume that those two triangles are similar. So I'm going to redraw them as two separate triangles. So this is x plus 2, and this is 26, and this is 20, and these two sides are congruent. So that's one of my triangles. Then I have this big orange triangle. This whole side is y. Not quite sure what this side is, but I do know this whole side, this piece is 26, this piece is 13, so to get the length of that whole entire side, I'm going to add 26 and 13 together to get 39. So the length of this whole entire side, I have to add those two pieces together. So now I know if I'm looking at this top triangle, the purple triangle and the orange triangle, they both share this angle. So I'm going to kind of use that angle as like my reference point. So the side that is 26 is going to correspond with the side that's 39. So these two sides are going to correspond. And then the side that's 20 in the purple triangle and y, those are going to correspond as well. So I can set up a proportion and say 26 over 39 should be equal to 20 over y. And notice when I set up that proportion, I put the blue sides on top of each other, purple on top of orange, and then I put the red sides on top of each other, purple on top of orange. So the left triangle over the right triangle equals the left triangle over the right triangle. And so now I can cross multiply to solve this proportion. 26 times y is equal to 39 times 20, which is 780. Then I divide by 26 on both sides, and y is equal to 30. So this side right here is going to be 30, which I can kind of do a mental check to make sure that I'm not totally wackadoodle. 26 is smaller than 39, so this 20 should be smaller than whatever number I end up getting for y. So had I gotten a number less than 20 for y, that would be a red flag that I did something wrong. Or if it had been like gigantic, astronomically high or something like that, that's another warning sign. So you can kind of use your reasoning skills to make sure that you're on the right track. And then I also want to solve for x, but that's really easy because these are marked with congruent signs, with tick marks, so I can just set them equal. So x plus 2 should be equal to 26. So x is 24.